Hey guys, it's Lawrence from Laws of Physio, and today I'm going to give you my quick guide on how I buy shoes. So I go through shoes very quickly. This is my second pair this year, so I usually go through a pair of shoes every 6 months. And this is the guide that I tell my patients when they're buying shoes. So I like the brand Asics because they're just very comfortable and they survive the work that I do. So this is a brand new pair. This is the GT100. Yeah, GT100. So when you're buying shoes, you want to look for three main things. Okay, the first one is you want a nice solid support around the heel. Okay, something around the heel that's actually, solid. It's not going to compress around you. And when you press on the sides here where your heel will sit, it doesn't collapse or anything. Okay, so this is a good example of that. This is one of my formal shoes that just collapses, straight away. So that's not a very supportive pick. The next thing I look for is some good arch support, so something under the curvature of your foot. So I do overpronate when I walk. I do have flat feet, so I go for something that's a bit thicker and something that is very solid. So when I push in, it doesn't compress at all. Okay, let's go to my formal shoes. There's pretty much no support there at all. I just get that little lip just there. So not supportive, and my feet do get a bit sore after using this, okay? And the last thing we look for is a solid bridge. So the bridge is this, like the spine of the shoe, okay? The shoe shouldn't be able to rotate across that area. When we push down, it's very stable and supportive, okay? I think that's the only positive with this shoe. It is a bit kind of bent at the top there, but actually it does kind of rotate a little bit along there, but otherwise the heel's pretty solid. So best things to do in terms of brands, I do like Asics. I heard New Balance is pretty good as well. But the main thing is it doesn't really matter about the brand, it's just these main three factors. So nice supportive heel, good arch support, and nice solid spine. Ideally a bit of grip as well so you don't stack it. So give that a go. Look at those things next time you go to buy a shoe. Good luck.